Hello guys, it's Alison here from learntotradecrypto.net. I want to give you a quick tutorial about how to do swapping on MetaMask. This is a new feature that was released in a blog post recently by MetaMask, and I think it's quite interesting that MetaMask now has that feature to, apart from just enabling interaction with the Ethereum blockchain. MetaMask has now gone into the automated market maker market, where they now have you can now swap. Okay, so when you launch MetaMask, this is what you're going to see first, and I haven't done this before, so let us see how it goes. As you can see here, MetaMask says you can now swap tokens directly in your MetaMask wallet. Before I continue, let me just say that if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. It does help the channel and also encourages me to make new content all the time. So guys, as I was saying, it's we want to learn how to swap using MetaMask. To be honest with you, like I said, I haven't done this before, but MetaMask says they combine multiple decentralized exchange aggregators, professional market makers, and individual DEXs. DEX is a decentralized exchanges to ensure MetaMask users always get the best price with the lowest network fees. Okay, now liquidity sources include Uniswap, Total, Paraswap, DEX, AirSwap, 1inch, 0x API, professional market makers, and say more coming soon. Now, if you want to read more, you can click on here, or you can also look at their contract. I think it's very important to look at the contract, the audit of the contract, because some of the greatest issues we have with smart contracts is that many of them are not audited. But you can be sure that a place like MetaMask will always audit their smart contracts to make sure there are no bugs that can make you lose your coins. Okay, so let's start swapping. Okay, so the coin I actually want to swap, I haven't really put it into my MetaMask, so I can't see it on my MetaMask right now. So what I'm going to do, let me cancel the swap here, and then I'm going to go to add token, and there is a coin which I had before. I don't know if I can still find it anywhere, but let me try and locate that coin. If I go to CoinMarketCap, is BPT, block point token. I have not used it for a very long time, and it's dropped in value, so I want to swap it to Ethereum. Let me see if that works. So I'm going to get the contract address. So if you want to add a token to MetaMask, this is what you do. Let's see, sorry, I'll try that again. BPT. Okay, so this one is they're now called Box platform token. It used to be called block point. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to copy the Ethereum contract address. Okay, and I want to add the token to my MetaMask. So you go to custom token. In case you missed that, let me just cancel that, and we say add token. So this might also be a tutorial on how to add a token to see it in your MetaMask. Okay, you go to custom token, and that contract address I copied from CoinMarketCap. It's there, so I click on next, and it tells me I have 6,000 box platform tokens. So I add tokens to my MetaMask wallet. Okay, now I've added it. It's about $191 in value, but I want to swap this to Ethereum. Let me see if there is liquidity for this market. So I want to swap it to swap the max, and then I want to swap it to, let's say, Ethereum. Okay, let's see, let's get quotes and see how this works. Now I haven't done this before, so I'm doing this for the first time. Okay, so get quote, let's have a look and see. So it's checking. I really don't know if it's going to find me, because it is not a coin that is so popular these days. So let's see what happens. Analyzing. Okay, so it is telling me I'm going to get 0.07 Ethereum. Yeah, I'll swap it. Okay, try again. Why is that? Try again. Let's see. So get quotes. So like I said, I haven't done this before. So MetaMask is now checking all the liquidity providers to see, but I don't know if this would have liquidity for the swap. Okay, let's try again. So it is saying maximum network fee edit. Let me see if I can. So this is the fastest. Let me save that, and let's swap. Swap failed. Okay, so I don't know why this is failing. I believe maybe the market has really very poor liquidity. Okay, let me see what markets are doing this for. swaps at the moment. So well, sometimes we win, sometimes we lose, but again, my token is in my wallet. It's not being used in any way, but again, that is how you do the MetaMask swaps. Although in this case it failed because this, I believe, is a coin that doesn't have enough liquidity. But yeah, maybe what we're going to do, we're going to actually maybe swap Ethereum for something else and see how that goes. Okay, so I tell you what, let me go and swap. Let's swap, and then let's swap Ethereum. Let me swap Ethereum for Uni token. Let me just swap maybe 0.1 Ethereum and see if that goes. There should be some liquidity for this one. Okay, 0.1 Ethereum and swap it to Uni. Let's see how many Uni we can get for that one. Let's get quotes. There should be liquidity for this one, so I shouldn't be a problem for that. Okay, so we can get 11 Uni for that. Let's swap that. So you can actually view it on Etherscan as well. Let's view it on Etherscan. I need to show you the transaction and see how that is going. Success. So that succeeded. And we can go back to our MetaMask. Transaction complete, and we'll have 11 Uni added to our account. So let's go back to MetaMask. Let's view Uni. That's the Uni we now have in our MetaMask account. And if we go back, we now have the Uni we just swapped with Ethereum. All right. So that is how you use MetaMask swap. You don't have to move the money from exchange to exchange. Everything happens inside of MetaMask. So I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of content, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.